What's up today, YouTube? It's been a while since I made a video. Today we're checking out the Queens County Farm. The museum part is closed, but the farm grounds are open so we can walk around. We're going to show Damien all the different animals. Hopefully there's some cool animals, and this is a cool experience. It's really far out in Queens. It's like basically Long Island. Pretty crazy. Look, Damien!
Damien, look!
Smile like Daddy, Damien.
He's looking at the cow.
You made a pie!
Master Moo would love all these cows. He should come to the Queens County Farm. You're missing out, Master Moo. Wish you were here. Well, we got these moos. Damien, what do you think of the chickens?
They like you, Damien.
His head's sticking out. Just like on that song, right? What you think of the cows and chickens, Matt?
Pretty cool. It's pretty cool.
It's pretty cool. Cool for Damien to see. Now we're coming up on some fields over here.
Fields.
Yeah, field. Yeah. What do they got over there, Matt? Sheep?
Sheeps, they got sheeps.
They got sheep over there, Matt? What's up, little guy? We saw these in Peru. The alpaca. Damien, look.
Look at the hair. Look at that, Damien.
What is that?
Look.
Huh?
It's eating grass.
What is that, Damien?
Look at I see the eyebrow.
They gotta be hot as hell, man.
Look at that, Papa. That's mommy.
That's where the children of the corn live, in the cornfields. It's pretty crazy that they have a farm here in New York City. Never knew they had a farm in New York City, so it's definitely cool to check out. I'm checking out all the little areas because there's not much to do during coronavirus. I've just been going to all the little different parks, checking out little areas like this that you probably wouldn't normally go to anyway. It's definitely no tourists coming down to the Queens Farm. It's really far though.
There's like Damien. So.
What you think of the farm, Matt?
Yeah, it was pretty interesting. I think, though, because of COVID and everything, there weren't as many animals out.
Yeah.
So, basically, this time they had cows, chickens, llamas, sheep,
Goats.
and goats. Yeah.
I did see online that they had pigs. They weren't out. At least we didn't see them. The museum part is closed. It's a little small of a farm, but I mean, this is New York City, so I didn't expect a huge farm, but it's cool for little Damien to check out the animals. We're gonna take him to the Bronx Zoo, maybe next week or a week after, and he'll be able to check out the other animals there. Oh, there's water. Oh! Where are we at, kid?
Queens Botanical Garden.
Oh my god, this kid doesn't even know where he's at.
No, I know where I'm at. I'm just joking with you.
Walk right into him, Matt.
Wow, orange ones.
Orange. Oh yeah, look, orange.
Brown.
Damien.
Silver.
Silver ones.
Damien, look.
游乱动它就游到你身边了，你一乱动它跑，知道
Isn't
吧？
that cool, Damien? They got white ones.
So that was the Botanical Garden here in Queens. What did you think of that, Matt?
Oh, it was pretty cool. I liked it. It was a little small though, but I don't know if I'd pay admission to come here. It is very tiny, so. But still, it's a good atmosphere. Great atmosphere.
$6 to come here. If you come on Sundays before 11, it is free. That's what we did. I'd recommend coming when it's free because there's not quite a whole lot to see. I definitely recommend the Brooklyn Botanical Garden over the Queens Botanical Garden, but it's not bad. It's definitely relaxing if you want to come, relax, have a nice relaxing day, maybe take some pictures of some plants. But other than that, there's not too much here. I definitely recommend the Brooklyn one over this.